You know what time it is? It's Keychron time. That's right. Today we're going to be covering the Keychron K2HE Hall Effect, baby. Another Hall Effect keyboard. I'm so freaking excited. Keychron K2HE. K2HE. Keyboard man. Keyboard man. Oh, I love Keychron. All right, I mean, just look at this thing. It's got wood side panels and it's got wood keycaps. Isn't that freaking beautiful? I love it. It's supposed to be like silent, like not super silent, but like, you know, it's not like meant to be a super clicky keyboard, I don't think. Now, it comes in 3 different versions. You have the special edition, the standard edition, and the special edition ISO. So the special edition comes with the wooden side panels. They do show a feature of getting the side plate customized. Unfortunately, this isn't available at this time. And it comes in black and white. So Keychron actually recently won an award at CES 2025, the K2HE. It's the only keyboard to win the 2025 CES Innovation Award. And the switches that it comes with are Gateron double rail magnetic Nebula switches. These are also available in the Q series if you've watched my Q5HE video. So it's got a 0.1 millimeter sensitivity, 40 grams of start force, 60 grams of end force, actuation range from 0.2 to 3.8 millimeters, and it's a linear switch with 150 million click lifespan. And then this has another feature called last keystroke prioritization. Basically, this helps in games like Valorant. Okay, then we have the dynamic rapid trigger. So for the most part, this kind of helps when specifically in Valorant or CS where you have movement penalties when you're shooting. Like take Valorant, for example. If you were to shoot while completely still, you wouldn't have any recoil and your shots would actually hit where you're aiming. But if you move even slightly while you're shooting in Valorant with almost any weapon, your aim is instantly trash. So the faster that you can stop moving and start shooting, the more of an advantage you have in a game like Valorant or CS. So this is a perfect example. So with dynamic keystrokes, I wanted to go over that a little bit. Basically, you can hit one keystroke and you can do 4 actions. So as you're hitting the key, that's 1 halfway through, and then a full press could be another action. As you're pulling up, that's your 3rd, and then a full release would be a 4th action. And you can pretty much set that to anything you want. It's kind of a crazy thing. I've never really tried it out. So analog mode, it kind of makes it so that you can race the game. You can kind of treat a key like a gas pedal. Wow, okay, that's really sick. And then of course we have the launcher, but this is where you can kind of change your lighting and your actuation distance and turn on all your cool features. You can use this wired or wireless. Its main function is to be a wireless keyboard. It's got 2.4 gigahertz wireless connection with the 1000 hertz polling rate at 2.4 gigahertz wireless. That's really cool. It's got satisfying keyboard acoustics. It's got pre-lube switches, 3.5 millimeter thick EVA acoustic foam, UPDM foam, and a silicone pad inside the keyboard. The Keychron K2HE delivers an exceptionally satisfying, soft, and thocky typing sound. Oh yeah. It's got a powerful chip MCU with 256K flash and QMK open source firmware. The PPT caps double shot, and essentially what this is, it provides excellent oil resistance. It enhances the typing feel and prevents the legends from fading out. Looks like you got some stabilizers here. Looks like there's one for the space bar here. Basically, what this does is when you're hitting a big key like the space bar and you're hitting like the left side of it versus the middle versus the right, it gives you an all across the board feel. Enough of the yapping. That's pretty much all I got. Thanks for watching the specs part.
Game Game starts in 5, 4.
Is this the good assault rifle? Hey buddy, how you doing? What's up?
1.
Welcome to the Keychron video. Did you know you were gonna... Hey sir, did you know you were gonna be in a Keychron video today? Come back. What was that? I'm in the middle of talking to you. Welcome to YouTube. Hey,
the lead.
who's doing that? Stop that. Whoa, bro. Hey, yo. What the... Oh, that's valid. Oh, you're one shot. Yeah, that's right.
Double kill.
I'm here without you, baby.
5 minutes remaining.
But you're still with me in my dreams. But tonight, girl, it's only you and me. Where's this guy? Underneath me? What's going on here? Hey, yo, chill, bro. Hey, relax. Dang. Chill. What did I say about chilling? Forget about me? Oh my god, I'm terrible. Ooh, he's good. Oh no, I got killed by somebody else. Okay. Valid. Oh, it's that guy again. He's good. He's real good.
Kingslayer.
Let's go. Who killed me? You all. Can I have this? No. Ugh. What's up? It's your boy. Welcome to the Keychron video. Today, we're going to be going through, I don't know what this is, and then killing this guy.
Game over. Victory.
Yo, what? That guy is crazy. Yo, what is that guy on? 11 kills. I'll take it. This has been Keychron. This has been Keychron K2HE. Beautiful Hall effect Keychron keyboard with the wood side panels. Absolutely awesome. If you're a refined gentleman that likes smoking tobacco out of a pipe or drinking a nice fine whiskey at the end of your day, then consider getting one of these high quality, high class, high grade Hall effect keyboards from Keychron. Make sure to take a look at the link in the description below. Thanks Keychron, and thank you guys for watching. Playlist, tech review. Lots of keyboard stuff in here. I am Keyboard Man. And a good video right here. Maybe another Keychron video. Maybe my last Keychron video. All right. See you in the next one. Bye-bye. Subscribe.